Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center video classroom, and this is Ablajan. And today we will learn lesson 125 to lesson 126. First of all, let's learn T for two. Okay guys, look at the screen. So what kind of drinks do you like? What kind of drinks do you like? Do you know some drinks such as, do you like juice? Okay, do you like juice? Or do you like coffee? Or do you like milk? Or do you like cola? Like a Pepsi Cola or a Coca-Cola? Okay, or do you like wine? Or beer, right? What about wine? Okay, or tea. Okay. And so arkadaşlar, hamısı bugünkü dersimizde şu bir neçe ichimliklarning turini o'rgatdik. Endi beer bilan wine, it's not good, right? Yaxshi emas bunaqa. Endi men yerga tea deganimiz nima? Choy. Yaxshi. Sharbat degani meva sharbati degani nima deymiz? Qarab qo'yinglar, meva sharbatini juice, yaxshi. Qahva degani coffee. Okay, sut degani-chu milk, cola degani-chu cola. Okay? Like this is beer, pivo degan gap, wine degan-chu aroqni ko'rsatadi. Onaniki nima? Tea. Xo'sh, amsa bugungi darsimizda intayim muhim bo'lgan bir narsani o'rganamiz. All right, let's almost forgot the water, right? Suvni unutib qolgan tasodifman. Amsa avval bir yangi so'zlarni o'rganib o'tlar bugungi darsimizdan. Okay. Birinchisi nima desam, water. Okay. Water. Okay, endi Amerikan ingliz tilini men o'qiganda savollarga qanaqa qilmaysiz desanlar, water shunami? Amerikan ingliz tili masalan tavshini masalan ingliz tilida deb talaffuz qilgan ahvol bor. Demak, endi shunga mera water emas nima bo'ldi bu? Water. Okay, water. Okay, water degan suv degan gap shunami? Endi ism bo'lganda nima bo'ldi desanlar, suv degan gap bo'ldi. Endi bu yerda ma'risim qarab baqirgan bo'lsak, bu nima bo'lib keldi desanlar, pil bo'lib keldi. Pil bo'lgan buning ma'nosi water degan sug'amoq degan gap. Okay, sug'amoq degan gap. Masalan, water the flowers. Good. Water the flowers. Nima? Gullarni sug'urish. Gullarni sug'amoq. Shunami? Water the flowers. Qaranglar, ma'risim nima qilibdi? Odam nima qilibdi? He is watering the garden. Yaxshi, u gullarni bog'ni qanday qilyapti? Gullikni sug'uryapti. Shunami? He is watering the garden. So, do you want to water the tree? Okay. Siz daraxtlarni sug'urishni xohlaysiz? Okay, I water the flowers every day. Masalan, men har kuni qanday qilaman? Gullarni sug'uraman yoki gullarga suv quyman, gullarga suv berman degan gap. Demak, endi men yerga water deganimiz nima arkadaşlar? Sug'amoq, suv bermak. Gullarni sug'amoq nimadiroq? Water the garden. Yaxshi. Water the flowers. Shunami? All right. Amsa yana bir qarab boqaylik arkadaşlar. Keyingi so'z nima desanlar? Terribly. Okay? Terribly. Agar nima terrible deganimiz nima desanlar? Nachar. Shunami? Ig'ir degan gap. Ham terribly bo'lsa, ig'ir holda degan gap. Terribly. Okay, masalan, oh, I am very sorry. Okay, I am very sorry. Or you can say, I am terribly sorry. Okay, I am terribly sorry. Or I'm intayin sizdan qanaqa qilayman? Kechirim so'rayman. Shunami? I'm terribly sorry. I am terribly sorry. Endi qaranglar. Okay. Masalan, I get terribly tired. Okay, men intayin qattiq erib ketdim. Demakchi, shu darajasini aytdi, qattiq ig'ir shunami? Okay. What about her? Okay. I miss him terribly. Hayolabda men uni intayin qanday sig'indim. Demakchi, terribly aytdi ig'ir. Okay. Okay, next one. Look at this desert. Bu qumliqqa intayin dry. Shunami? Dry degan sifat bo'lsa, adashlar. Dry means not wet, nem emas, or without water, yoki suvsiz, with very little rain. Nihoyatda oz miqdordagi nim bilan yomg'ir bilan. Okay, it means not wet, without water. You can say dry. You know, what's the weather like in the desert? Okay, and shu desert ninki qumluq ninki klimat yoqavar ayqanda bo'ldi sog'lashlar. What is the weather like in climate? Yeah, it's terribly dry. It's terribly dry. Masalan, sizlar chetelliklar bilan masalan sizning jo'tingizniki klimat qanday? Masalan, what is the climate like in your hometown? Okay, hometown deganimiz nima? Yurtingiz, shunami? Sizning yurtingizning klimati qanday desa, you can say it's terribly dry. Okay, yeah, it's terribly dry, right? It's terribly dry. O intayin qanday? Ig'iralda qurg'oq. Ig'iralda qurg'oq. Okay, ig'iralda qurg'oq. Amniyatda Shinjongninki qurg'oqligidan bek hamda ba'zi yerlar hatto ig'iralda qurg'oqligi, ba'zi yerlar unchunlar qanday emas. Okay. You know, summer is the dry season here. Okay. Endi bu yerga Shinjongning shunday bo'lsa, adashlar. Nima? Summer. Okay, yoz fasli bo'lsa, intayin qurg'oq bir fasl. Okay, demakki dry season fasl. Dry degani nima? Not wet or a very little rain. Nima emas yoki intayin yomg'ir oz. Okay. Okay, next one, nuisance. Okay, nuisance, something or someone you dislike. Demakchi, siz yoqtirmaydigan, sizning xushingiz yo'q, sizning iqingiz kelishmaydigan yoki odam va narsalarni nima deymiz? Nuisance deymiz. Arab nima? What a nuisance deb ishildir. Look, what a nuisance. I hate them. Qara, nima degan zerikishli kishilar bor. Adamni bezor qilgan kishilar bor. Men ularga o'ch. Shunami? I hate them. Okay, nima? What a nuisance that the keyboard is. Okay, wow, ma ko'nib taqs nimda adamni bezor qiladi, nimda adamning ishini siqadi, shunami? Okay, what a nuisance. Okay, what a nuisance. Adamning ishini siqib, shunami? What a nuisance. Okay. Xo'sh, Shamsa, qaranglar. Next one, mean. Good, mean. Okay. Qaranglar. The cloud mean it's going to rain. Okay, the cloud, bulutlar means ma'nisi it's going to rain. Demakchi, bulutlarni ko'rgandan keyin ularning ma'nisi nima? Demakchi, bulutlar yomg'ir yog'ishdan derak beradi, ma'no beradi degan gap. Masalan, she knows what you mean. Okay, sizning nima demoqchi bo'lganingizni, sizning demoqchi bo'lganingizni qanday qildi u biladi. She knows what you mean. Demoqchi sizning ma'ningiz, siz demoqchi bo'lgan gapingizni u qanday qildi biladi. Okay. So what does this word mean? Endi masalan ma'lum bir so'zlarni tushunmay qolib qolsangiz, what does this word mean? Hey, what does this word mean? Tushunami? Okay. Endi masalan boshqalarniki paranglashganda gapini tushunmasak nima deymiz? Ba'zi gaplar tozaliqqa aniqamiz. Hey, what do you mean? Voy, siz nima demoqchi? Demak, sizning maqsadingiz nima? Siz nima demoqchisiz? What do you mean? Okay. What do you mean? Bir necha xil ahvolda demakchi maqsadingiz nima? Okay. Next one is surprise. Surprise, right? Okay. Yani an exciting and unusual thing. Okay. Demakchi adamni bir xil hayron qoldirgan qana. Wow, surprise! Good. Qaranglar, mushukmi surprise qarang. What a surprise! Okay, what a surprise! Okay, what a surprise! Masalan, tug'ilgan kuningizda sizga bir tal mashina sovg'a qilsa, birsi ko'rib qanaq. What a surprise! Nima degan hayron qolarlik, ha? Okay, masalan, it might surprise me. U balkim meni hayron qoldirishi mumkin. Okay, surprise somebody. You know, I have a surprise for you. Demekçi, men sizne eran kıldırgan bir nesba. I have a surprise for you. Okay, next one is immediately. Immediately. Good. Immediately. Good. Yana bir okpağına. Immediately. Nayet yaxşı. And mush immediately means at once. Derhallam degan gap bo'ldi. Mesela qaranglar, mushuk qanday qilib qechib yetib tushunami? The cat runs away immediately or at once. Nima? Demakki, mushuk darrov qanday qilib ketdi? Qechib ketdi. Run jugamak, away jiroqqa jugurab ketdi degan gap, ham shu qechib ketdi degan gap. Savolashlar. So, come to my office immediately. Darhol mening ishxonamga qanday qiling? Keling. Immediately. Alright guys, and now listen very carefully and then answer some questions here. Okay, answer alashlar. Avval ko'ngil qo'yib olinglar, undan keyin bir necha savol bor. Savollarga javob bersanglar. Okay, listen carefully.
Lesson 125. T for two. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. Does Susan have tea by herself?
Can't you come in and have tea now, Peter?
Not yet. I must water the garden first.
Do you have to water it now?
I'm afraid I must. Look at it. It's terribly dry.
What a nuisance.
Last summer it was very dry too. Don't you remember? I had to water it every day.
Well, I'll have tea by myself. That was quick. Have you finished already?
Yes. Look out of the window.
It's raining. That means you don't need to water the garden.
That was a pleasant surprise. It means I can have tea instead.
Alright guys, have you finished? So, what does Susan want Peter to do? Susan Peter'ni nemis qilgan deydi. Nemis qilsang olar ekan? Good. Yeah, she wants him to come in and have some tea. And that will uyga chirib nemis qilgan ekan? Choy ichgan deydi. Okay, next question. So why does Peter say he can't come yet? Nima uchun Peter deydi ekan, u tehi kirmaydi ekan? Why? So why does Peter say that? Because he thinks he must water the garden first. Chunki u o'ylar ekan, avval nima qilish kerak ekan? Chuqur gullikni sug'orish kerak ekan. Shunami? Sug'orish kerak ekan. All right. Next question. So why does Peter think he must water the garden? Why nemish qam shu Peter o'ylaydi ekan, u cho'qim gullikni sug'orish kerak ekan? Why? Because it's terribly dry. Because it's terribly dry. U intan ig'ir darajada qanday ketdi? Qurib ketdi. Shunaqa. Does Peter need to water the garden in the end? Why and why not? Sizningcha mush Peter oxirida mushuni zodi cho'qim sug'orish kerak bo'ldimi? Yoki bo'lmadimi? Amsi nimishqa? Why? No, he doesn't need to because it's raining outside. Chunki sirtda ham bo'yadi. Endi ham bo'yaqqanga qanday olmaydi bolalar sanlar? Sug'orishning hojati yo'q-ku. Okay. Anaqda sentence structure. Good. Guys, and let's look at some sentence structure here. And first one is must and have to. Okay. And müşerik must bilan have to deganimiz ham nima sanlar? Mushkil esa mana qilish lozim kerak degan gap. Endi buningki mundaq bir intayin muhim bir farq bor. Must and yana birisi have to. Okay. Masalan, bir ikki jumla nim qilaylik. Masalan, I must study English bilan I have to study English. Mashqisi o'xshamaydi. Masalan, I must study English desam, hey, I think English is very interesting. I love it. So I must study English. Okay. Demakchi, ma deganda o'z ishingizdan chiqarib, shu bir narsani qo'llingizda o'ylab, "Oy, men ham o'sha ingliz tugunishimni ayt, muhimken" deb o'zingiz o'yladingiz, shundaymi? O'zingiz xalab, o'zligingizdan mesela manda qilishim kerak ekan deb o'ylagan bo'lsangiz, siz nimani ishlatishingiz kerak? Must'ni ishlatishingiz kerak. Shundaymi? Okay. Oh, I must study English. Amsa agarchi masalan, sizning imtihon, lekin qat'iy qo'shingiz yo'q, ama ingliz bilan shuni. Oh, tomorrow's exam. I have to study English. Okay, like this, right? Qanday desangiz, garchi o'zingiz xohlamaysiz, shundaymi? Lekin xohlamasangizmi, bu ishni qanday qilishingiz kerak? Cho'qim qilib tutkizishingiz kerak, chunki imtihon. Demak, endi mushaga qanday qilishingiz kerak desanglar, have to. I have to study English. Demakchi, siz obyektiv sharoit sizni qanday qildi? Obyektiv sharoit sizni odatda majburlaydi. Xohlamsiz yoki xohlamamsiz o'xshash qilaveradigan gap. Shunga have to degan nima? Qilmasa faqat bo'lmaydigan ishlar. I have to. I have to study English. English o'rganmasam bo'lmaydi. Demak, garchi o'zingiz xohlamasangizmi, cho'qim qanday qilishingiz kerak desanglar, o'sha qilishingiz kerak. I must study English. I have to study English. Yana ozroq yozib kompyutercha taqchid. Okay, bo'ldi. Normallashdi. Okay, endi sen keyin qaranglar vallah. Okay. Here I must water the garden first. Okay, endi men I must water the garden first. Shunami? Endi men shu gullikni birinchilab sug'oritishim kerak. Demakchi o'zingiz his qildingiz, gullikninki sug'orishdan muhimligini. Endi yana bir jumla, I have to water it every day. Okay, men har kuni cho'qim har kun menda qilishim kerak. Okay, I have to. Shunami? I have to deganimiz hamda qilmasam bo'lmaydi. Shunaqa. Do you have to water it now? Zara hozir qilishingiz kerakmi? Zara hozir qilmasangiz faqat bo'lmamdi. Deganga bo'ldi. Nima beyshu, onundikin ham demaysan. Ikkinchisi have to degan, ma'lumot qilmas faqat bo'lmaydigan ishlar. Nima? Yana birisi-chi, unga o'xshashlar. Endi I'm afraid I must. Okay. Men ensirayman, men qo'rqayman, nima? Shunday qilishimda. Demakchi, nihoyatda siliq sipoya boshqalarning gapini rad qilish yo'li I'm afraid. Masalan, can you help me? Oh, sorry, I'm afraid I can't. Men qilmasligimni deysan. Demakchi, men qilmayman degan gap. Okay, amsa qaranglar bolalar. Let's practice. Qarab baqirgan bo'lsak, I must go now. Hey, how about you? Voy, sizchi desa, I have to go too. Men qanday qilishim kerak? Men ishim kerak. Okay? Demakchi, ma'miz qat'iy bo'lmaydi, shunami? She must call him. How about you? I have to call him too. Demakchi, sizmi telefon qilishga majbur bo'ldingiz, shunami? Voy, men nima qilishim kerak? Shunami? Okay, what about this? Yeah, I must wait for him. How about Mary? Mary has to wait for him too. Mary qanday qilish kerak? Cho'qim saqlab turish kerak. Endi ma'o igisi uchinchi shaxs birlik bo'lganda, savolashlar musharaka has o'zgaradi. Have to deganimiz nima? Has to. Good. Yeah, I must meet her. What about Jim? Okay, Jim has to meet her too. And mishara Jim has to. Cho'qim Jim qanday qilish kerak? Cho'qim ashna bilan ko'rish kerak. Bo'lmasa bo'lmaydi. Xo'sh, savolashlar. Keyin qaranglar. I must travel by ship. What about Tom and Mary? Tom and Mary have to travel by ship too. Nima desanlar, umma qanday qilsa, sen mana qilgandan keyin umma qanday cho'q amal yo'q, cho'q shuna qilish kerak, shundami? Agar endi o'sha have to ninki oddiy yoziq zaman bilan kelganda nima desanlar, qanday ishlatamaysanlar? You have to wash your face every morning. Okay, you have to wash your face every morning. And which have to ninki shunday bilan ishlatilishi. Andaqda ikkinchi qaranglar, shu have to degan nimaga ibanchanglar bilan. Now, do you have to get up early tomorrow morning? Siz ertaga zade balduroq turishingiz kerakmi? Desa, darsni debdi. Yes, I will have to get up at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Again, we should have to ning oldiga will ni qatib etsak, dema, shu kelgusini ifodalaydi. Ans qaranglar, have to bilan Okay. And did you have to take a taxi? Zade taksiga o'tirishingiz kerakmidi? O'tgan zaman bo'ldi, shunami? Okay. Yes, I had to take a taxi. I couldn't get a bus. Nima? Men shu taksiga chiqishim kerak edi. Chunki men avtobusga qanday qilmadim? Ulgurmadim yoki avtobusga chiqmadim. Demakchi, avtobusga chiqmagan ekan, amal yo'q, taksiga chiqish qanday qildi? Majbur bo'ldi. Taksiga chiqmasa qat'iy qanday qilmaydi? Bo'lmaydi. Shunga had to. Shunga taksiga chiqishim kerak edi. Taksiga chiqishim kerak edi. Okay. And agarda anda masalan, I must take a bus. Shunami? Bunda qilishim kerak. O'zlikni his qilsam. Endi ma'lum amalsiz sharoit. Agar avtobusga chiqqan bo'lsa, avtobusga chiqib ketaverdi. Lekin avtobusga ulgurmadi, chiqmadi. Shunga qanday qilish kerak? Taksiga chiqish kerak. Guys, and what happened to shenda men chom bilan birga hozirgi putgan zaman bilan, Hasn't your friend arrived yet? Okay. Do'stlaringiz yetib kelmadimi? How long have you had to wait? How long have you had to wait? Qanchalik saqlashingiz kerak desa, I have had to wait for 2 hours. Men 2 soatcha saqlashim kerak. Okay, demakchi, bu shu have to ni shenda men chomlar kerak. Ana must bilan have to niki, ya'ni bir farqini qanday desanglar, bir tushunib yetsa adashlar. Okay. Bu shu must dan faqat bir xillam shakli bo'ldi. Birinchi shaxs, ikkinchi shaxs, uchinchi shaxs, to'rtinchi shaxsda buni aralmaydi. Lekin have to ning chi desanglar, bir necha xil shakli bor. Masalan, I have to leave immediately. Masalan, I had to take a taxi, I couldn't get a bus. Masalan, I have had to wait for 2 hours. Yoki I will have to get up at 6 o'clock. Demak, endi ma'lum zaman almashganda qanday desanglar, o'sha har birisini have to niki qanday desanglar o'zgaradi, lekin must ning bir xildan shakli bor. Okay. Ona lekin endi qaranglar, have to bilan must niki, masalan, buniki inkor javobga berilgan savol o'xshamaydi. Yoki masalan have to ga don't have to yoki doesn't have to. Nima? Don't have to yoki doesn't have to. Anda anaga chi desanglar, don't need to yoki needn't. Shunaqo. Okay, must I get up early? Wait a minute, you don't need to. Jawab, inkar jawab again. No, don't need to. Okay. So write the question and an answer. So you have to leave early. And the one, do you have to leave early? Swal chekla. You don't have to leave early. Shikil savolga aylantirib shuna. Kitobning oxiri mashq qilsangiz bo'ldi, savolashlar. You have to leave early? Do you have to leave early? You don't have to leave early, right? Okay. And keyingisi qarasanglar, okay, she must leave early. Xo'sh, endi must niki savol inkor qanday bo'ldi? Buni savol emas. Must she leave early? Okay. She needn't leave early. Demak, inkor kelganda savolashmishga bir diqqat qilinglar. Must niki nima? Needn't. Have to niki don't have to. Tushuninglar? Don't have to. All right, answer. Ma'noni o'zgartirib qo'yinglar. She has to decide immediately. Savol, does she have to decide immediately? She doesn't have to decide immediately. Okay? Next one. We must take a taxi. Okay? Must we take a taxi? We needn't take a taxi. Demak, must niki needn't, have to niki nima? Don't have to. All right. That's all for today, guys. Okay, if you want to get further information, please follow our app and WeChat platform, or you can add my private WeChat number, and then you can ask and get more information about our class. So that's all for today. Thank you. See ya. Goodbye.